Hello everyone, it's David.
And I'm Liz, and this is Blab Lab. If you're learning English and want to speak naturally and confidently, you're in the right place. Today we're kicking off our Blab Lab grammar series, and we're starting with one of the most important tenses in English, the present simple. We'll break it down step by step, when to use it, how to build it, common mistakes, real-life examples, and speaking practice. This is your complete guide, especially if you're at B1 or B2 level and want grammar that actually makes sense. Grab your notebook, get ready to speak out loud. Let's dive in.
I work, you play, she cooks, I'm a doctor. Simple, yes, and powerful. In this lesson, you'll learn how to use the present simple clearly, naturally, and correctly. When do we use the present simple? We use the present simple to talk about facts and truths. The sun rises in the east. Routines or habits. I brush my teeth. She drinks coffee. Permanent situations. She works in an office. Schedules. My class starts at 9. The train leaves at 8. How to form the present simple. Let's break it down into affirmative, negative, and questions. Affirmative subject plus base verb. With I, you, we, they, just the base verb. I work. You play. They study English. With he, she, it, add s or es, he works. She goes to school. It rains a lot. Add es for verbs ending in. She watches TV. He fixes cars. It goes fast. Negative sentences. Use do not or does not plus base verb. With I, you, we, they. Use don't. I don't like tea. They don't work on weekends. With he, she, it. Use doesn't. She doesn't eat meat. It doesn't work. Important note. After don't or doesn't, the verb goes back to the base form. There is no s. He doesn't eats is wrong. He doesn't eat is the correct one. Questions. Use do or does at the beginning, plus subject plus base verb. With I, you, we, they. Use do. Do you speak English? Do they live here? With he, she, it. Use does. Does he play football? Does she like coffee? After do or does, always use the base verb. Does she like tea? Is wrong. Does she like tea? Is the correct one. And now is the shadowing practice. Repeat after me. I go to work at 8. She studies English online. They don't eat meat. Does he live in Paris? Let's do it one more time. I go to work at 8. She studies English online. They don't eat meat. Does he live in Paris? Let's see some common mistakes. He go to school is wrong. He goes to school is the correct one. She doesn't like coffee is wrong. She doesn't like coffee is the correct one. Do she play the piano is wrong. Does she play the piano is the correct one.
If this helped, like the video and hit subscribe. Next up, the present continuous and how it's different from today's tense. Until then, keep blabbing, keep learning. This is Blab Lab.